Welcome! If you are looking for the downloaded files in your Xiaomi Redmi 8A, in a few steps I'm going to show you where you can find it. So let's go for the Chrome for the first, and we are going to take this picture for example. So click, hold, tap on the download, continue, tap allow, and right now just go back to the main screen and let's enter the file manager. Click on the downloads, and as you can see right here we got our picture. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!